Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be creating this makeup look and I hope you guys enjoy it. I will be using the City Mini palette in collab with Makeup by Shayla from Maybelline, and overall it was an easy look to do, easy for beginners. I attempted my second cut crease and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We're going to start off with our foundation first today. I know usually I start with my eye makeup, but we're just gonna change it up today. So to begin, I'm gonna be going in with this Nivea Post Shave Balm as my primer. I recently started using this after watching one of Nikki Tutorial's videos, and she uses it as like a primer and she said it works really good. So I've been actually testing this out recently. Me and my friends have been using it and it works really good. If you have dry skin, I really recommend it. My foundation just goes on so smooth. This has like no oil control, so I really recommend using a mattifying primer, and that's what I'm gonna do after this. The reason this works so good is because it makes your skin really tacky and it's easier for your foundation to like stick on to you. So next I'm going to be going in with this Shine Free primer from Hard Candy, and like I said, just putting it on my T-zone. Next I'm going in with my Matte and Poreless foundation from Maybelline, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand. That's a lot. And then go in with the foundation brush and just start applying it to my face. Get that eyelid to prime it for our eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Don't forget to put foundation between your brows. I notice a lot of girls either forget to like blend out their between their brows after they do concealer, and it just does not look good, so just remember to blend that out, guys. To set my foundation, I'm going in with the NYC translucent powder on a big face brush from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna put this on my T-zone. To begin, I'm gonna be going in with my little trusty e.l.f. palette, and we're just gonna use one shade from here as our transition, and the rest are gonna be from the little City Mini palette. So I'm gonna be going in with this burnt orange shade and put it in my transition. And we're just gonna blend it up to the brow bone. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is our transition shade and we're gonna be layering more colors on top. Also, drag it in right here. I don't know what you would call this, just to contour your eyes a little. Next, we're moving on to our crease, and we're gonna be going in with this color right here. And I'm using a Wet n Wild blending brush. And with this, we're gonna be a little more precise and keep it right here, like on the outer side of our eye from this side to this side. and just blend it up, but not too high. We just want it to look diffused into our crease. Next color to intensify the crease, we're going to be going in with the black on this little pencil brush. And we're going to be going in really light-handed because you don't want to overdo with the black and then not be able to blend it out later and just create a huge mess. So we're just going to go really light-handed in the crease. And blend it out as we go. And just keep adding more as you see needed. So next we're gonna be cutting our crease, and this is only something I've done successfully once, which was like the other night when I was practicing this makeup look. So bear with me if it takes me a while, but you know, I'm still learning. Alright, so I just took some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm taking this small angled brush. And yeah, we're gonna start from the inside and carve out to all the way to the end of our lid. And we're just gonna follow like this line that's kind of already here, where we didn't put eyeshadow, and yeah. Blend out our eyeshadow right there. Alright, so our lid color is gonna be this gold shade right here. Let me swatch this, see if it'll come up. Looks like that. Really pretty. And we're just gonna pack this on our lid. And next I'm gonna go back in a little bit with the black right here. There's like a little spot that I kind of went over with the concealer, so I'm just gonna go back in with the black and clean it up. So I'm just gonna do the same to the other eye, and then we'll go from there. With the same brush, I'm just gonna clean up the ends of my eyeliner to make a straight line. Now that that's done, you want to take a small brush and diffuse the line just so that it's not too harsh, because you never want harsh lines in your makeup. Next, I'm going to be going in with the LA Color liquid liner and creating a wing. But if you wanted to skip this step, you can just go ahead and add on falsies and call it a day. Now that I have the wing, I'm going to go in with my Big Shot Colossal Mascara and coat my lashes. I do this because I always get mascara all up in my lashes and I don't want them to like stay stuck. So I just go ahead and with my mascara. Next, I'm going to line my lower lash line with some black liner. Smoke block it out with this crease shade that we used earlier. To intensify it more, I'm just going to smudge out the outer corner with the black eyeshadow that we used earlier, keeping it only on the outside. Now I'm just going to go into my e.l.f. bronzer in the shade Warm Tan, and we're going to bronze up our face. Now we're just gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna be using my CoverGirl's Cheekers in Pretty Peach. And I'm just taking a bronzing brush and applying it to the outer side of my cheeks. And I like to run it across my nose to bring back some more warmth into my face. Alrighty, so lastly, we're just gonna add some highlighter, and this is the e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls, and it looks like this. Let's see. That's the shade. And I like to apply it with my finger first to the high points of my cheeks, and then blend it out with the brush. I just feel like more product gets onto my cheek when I apply it directly with my finger. And we're just gonna add some to the bridge of our nose and our Cupid's bow. And I forgot this for the eyes, but we're gonna highlight our brow bone and inner corner with this shade right here. The last thing to do is my lips, and I'm going to be going in with this lip liner in the shade Oh Snap from ColourPop. And for my lipstick, I'm going in with this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Forever. I'm just gonna run it on top of my lips. Normally I would add on false lashes, but I don't know. Today I'm not really feeling it. You don't always have to wear false lashes. It's always optional. And I don't really feel like putting them on today. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's honestly not that hard. Cut creases are not as hard as I thought they would be. I obviously still have to like perfect it, but you know, this is a start. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.